Hi, this is Vizia Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share video on Facebook to your story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Facebook is known as one of the most popular social media platforms across the world. Facebook helps its users to upload photos, video, and post status on their profile and share it with others. And on Facebook, there you can watch like videos, reels on your Facebook, and you can share it to your story. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. You can go to the video section on your Facebook. Now you can choose the video that you want to share to your story. For the example, I will choose this one. There is an option share. You can tap on that. And you can choose on your story. It will turn out like this. So you can just tap on share. When people view your story and tap on the video, they can watch the full video by tap on the watch full video. So here's on Facebook, you can share that there's someone's video to your story. But not only that, you can also share your own video to your story on Facebook. So simple, right? So that is how to share video on Facebook to your story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!